Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select weather preferences on the Timepage application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Swipe to the right side of the screen, tap on Preferences. And now you should click on Weather. There you can find two sections such as the temperature. Here you can turn on the Show Actual Temperature or Show Feels Like Temperature. And in the Units section you can select the units of measurement such as Fahrenheit or Celsius. So click on the relevant one that you want to use. If you want to turn off any of these functions, you just simply have to click on it and select the other one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.